Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to check word count. So if you want to check word count in Microsoft Word, you can go to status bar in the bottom here. You can see there are 303 words in this document. If you click these icons will be show for the word count. Page 1, words count 303. You also can sort the paragraph or text like this, and the word count will be set into 123. You can click again just for the word count, and I will sort again from this point to here, and the word count will be changed again into 180 words. So that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to check word count. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.